How to show battery percentage on Android phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. Then search for display. If you can't find display in here, simply go to search button located on top right and then search for display. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down in your display. You'll find status bar. Then you'll find show battery percentage below battery style and above display network speed. Simply turn it on and as you can see, battery percentage is shown on top right corner of your screen. And that's how you show battery percentage on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.